Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning effect by fading an image into a gradient background in Canva. Let's dive right in. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can choose any template or start with a blank canvas. Next, upload the image you want to use. Click on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar, and then drag and drop your image into the design. Once your image is uploaded, drag it onto the canvas and resize it to fit your design. Make sure it's positioned exactly where you want it. Now, let's add the gradient background. Go to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and search for a gradient. You can choose from Canva's pre-made gradients or create your own by selecting a shape and customizing its colors. To make the gradient blend seamlessly with your image, adjust its transparency. Click on the gradient element, then look for the transparency slider in the top toolbar. Lower the transparency until the gradient starts to fade into your image. Now, bring your image to the front by right-clicking on it and selecting Send to Back. This ensures the image sits on top of the gradient. Here's the fun part. Go to the Elements tab from the left sidebar. Then, search for Transparent Gradient. Now, select the same transparency gradient color that matches your background. Next, adjust it at the bottom of the picture. To make it smoother, press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate it. Then, rotate the duplicate gradient to -180 degrees. Finally, take a moment to fine-tune your design. And that's it. You've successfully faded an image into a gradient background, and that's it. If you're ready to create stunning designs, try Canva Pro for free. Link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.